You got to give it some gas. There you go. Give her some gas. There. That's your stepmom. That's your stepmom driving the little truck.